If your hair is struggling to connect, experiencing slow growth, thinning, bald spots, dryness, this Ayurvedic herbal hair tea might just be your answer. I said might because, well, you never know. You try it, fall in love, and you come back again. I love that for you. Finally, a very super potent herbal hair spray that can tackle postpartum shedding, all kinds of shedding, breakage, hair loss, name it. This is super potent. It combines three ancient herbal ingredients that can tackle all your shedding horrors. I crafted this specifically for all your shedding issues. I've been infusing and experimenting on this since last year, so you can imagine how potent and powerful this herbal tea rinse is. Stay tuned, keep watching for the ingredients. I'm super excited to share this with you guys. Did you know that an average person loses 50 to 100 hair strands every day? While this is a healthy amount of hair to lose, it becomes problematic if you are experiencing excessive hair breakage and shedding. And for those with natural hair, it can be difficult to prevent hair breakage because of type 3 and 4 hair's dry and fragile nature. Sometimes it can just be a matter of changing up your hair products or hair routine to reduce breakage, but sometimes hair breakage and hair fall can occur because of nutrient deficiencies or hormonal imbalances. So I encourage you to take a look at these areas if you're experiencing excessive hair fall. Sister to sister, aside DIY, I encourage you to get a blood work done just to check if you're deficient in iron, vitamin D, and other vital nutrients that your body require. Try to eat healthy because it's not just about the topical product. You also need to look inward to know what exactly is causing your hair issues. If your baldness has refused to grow, please try to check, because my recent study, my recent research, I've realized that some contraceptives can actually affect our hair. Yes, but that's for another video. So to begin, grab a jar, make sure it is clean, and my first ingredient is lemongrass. Lemongrass soothes scalp, prevents dryness, and promotes new hair growth, whether it is dry or fresh. Make sure to use it. Lemongrass is lemongrass. Up next, we've got green tea. This is the original green tea because they have different types. There are some that are sold in Nigeria because I don't really understand that, but this is the main green tea. So if you want to shop green tea, make sure they come in this form. Green tea is rich in EGCG, possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that may protect hair follicles, stimulate hair growth. Green tea is high in caffeine content, which can help with hair growth and prevents shedding and also breakage. They also help enhance the color of your hair. They add shine to your hair. Up next, I've got black tea. Guys, if you don't have black tea, you can use Lipton tea bags. For those of you in Nigeria and abroad, I'm sure Lipton is also abroad. So you can use Lipton tea in place of the black tea, just in case you can find it around. But this is what black tea looks like. So black tea and green tea, they have so many things in common. They almost possess the same properties, but they are very high in caffeine and they help so well with shedding and breakage. If you have the funds, please purchase this. Purchase black tea, especially if you're experiencing excessive shedding and breakage. So all I did was just to add 500 ml worth of hot water to it, and then I'm going to steep this for 12 hours. Sometimes if I'm short of time, I do 8 hours, but I highly recommend you steep yours for 12 hours so that you can be on a safer side. So I'll just allow it on my tabletop. You don't need to do anything else to it. Just leave it on your tabletop, kitchen tabletop. After 12 hours, you proceed to strain. After straining, you transfer it into your spray bottle, and then it is ready for use. This particular herbal tea is not like the regular ones you see around. This is specifically formulated for those who have got postpartum hair loss, excessive shedding, your hair is breaking, you've got no control over it. I went ahead and added my tea tree essential oil in about 5 drops. Now I covered that up, shook the bottle very well, and it's ready for use. I love to use my herbal teas as a leave-in. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. Do you like to use it as a leave-in, or you prefer to use it and then rinse it out? Either ways, they are very effective. They are helpful for our hair. So if you're experiencing excessive shedding and breakage, please use this particular herbal tea. Now, you must have tried other herbal teas and it doesn't work for you. This is specifically dedicated to those who are shedding, moms that are experiencing postpartum hair loss. This is the best herbal tea you should try. Try it in your hair, use it as a leave-in, use it as a rinse out. So please, you can store this in your refrigerator for only 5 days, and after 5 days it goes rancid. The reason why you cannot store this for more than 5 days in your refrigerator is because of microorganisms that thrives in the refrigerator. And if you must put it in refrigerator for more than 5 days, then you have to add preservatives to it. And if you add preservatives to it, there is no need to refrigerate it. So now what happens is that some microorganisms act on this hair product, and then they lose their efficacy. Yeah, the way they will work for you first to 5 days will be different from how they will work for you. Sometimes you might say, hey, DINMA, but it doesn't get spoiled. It doesn't get spoiled. So why are you saying we should discard and make a fresh batch? That's because if you use it for more than 5 days, whether or not they are in the refrigerator, this product is not going to be effective anymore. They are going to lose their potency. So it is safe to store it for only 5 days. But if you don't want to waste, purchase Gemma Plus, liquid Gemma Plus. They sell it in all these stores that sell raw materials for people that formulate skincare and hair care products. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.